Sanitary sewer emergencies, such as backups, overflows, and line breaks, are not only unsightly, they are also a concern for human health and the environment. Don't delay. If you see a problem, call the Trouble Response Center hotline at 703-323-1211.
Employees in the Trouble Response Center help protect our communities from stinky sewers overflows 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. That's right, we're here for you all day and all night. Fairfax County prides itself on making sure a trouble response inspector from the Wastewater Collection Division arrives at the scene of an emergency within 1 hour of being contacted.
This takes the knowledge and skills of the employees in our Trouble Response Center to coordinate the necessary response, often calling on multiple teams to assess the problem and dispatching the appropriate manpower to inspect and take corrective action to restore the county's wastewater infrastructure to its normal operations.
Do your part to help protect human health and the environment by properly disposing in the trash the fats, oils, and grease, dental floss and wipes, even those labeled as flushable. And if you see a sewer emergency, give the Trouble Response Team a call at 703-323-1211.